Are you tired of scratching your head in frustration when working with Express.js and EJS templates? Have you ever encountered the annoying error, failed to lookup view message, leaving you wondering why your template just can't be found? Well, you're not all. This issue is a common pitfall for many developers, but don't worry. Today we'll dive into the solution. In this video, we'll explore what causes this error, how to troubleshoot it, and most importantly, how to fix it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to identify and resolve this issue with ease. So let's start by understanding what happens when Express.js tries to render a template using EJS. When you make a request to your server, Express.js will attempt to find the corresponding view or template in the views directory. However, if it can't find the view, it'll throw the error fail to lookup view error. The first step in resolving this issue is to ensure that your view engine is properly configured. Make sure you've set up EJS as your view engine and specified the correct path to your views directory. For example, if your views are located in a folder named Views within your project root, your configuration might look something like this. The next thing to check is that your template file exists in the correct location and has the correct file name. EJS looks for templates with a JS extension by default. So, ensure that your template files have this extension. Another common mistake is incorrectly specifying the path to your view within your route handler. Double check that you're using the correct syntax to render your view. For instance, if you have a view named index, make sure you're rendering it like so. Lastly, be mindful of the case sensitivity when specifying your view name. If your view is named index, but you're trying to render index, EJS won't find it. To summarize, here are the essential points to remember. Ensure your view engine is properly configured and pointing to the correct views directory. Verify that your template files exist in the correct location with the EJS extension. Double check the path to your view within your root handler for correctness. Be mindful of case sensitivity when specifying your view name. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to resolve the error fail to look up view issue in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on web development and troubleshooting. Have any questions or comments, please leave them below. What's the most frustrating error you've encountered while working with Express.js? Share your story